Welcome back to the Steampunk House. I'm Nate, the House Whisperer Adams, and today we are getting ready to do one of the big steps in taking this old 20th century house and making it ready for the 22nd century. It's spray foam day. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and leave a comment if you got a question for me. So there's two kinds of spray foam. There's open cell and there's closed cell. We're going to be using closed cell today because it doesn't absorb moisture and it gives you a lot more R value per inch. So this does a really good job of all-in-one product, reducing heat, air, and moisture flow into the house, which makes it controllable so that as a house whisperer, I actually have a prayer of making this house really comfortable. There's a lot of debate about the indoor air quality effects of spray foam, and what I found from doing actual measurements before, during, and after jobs is that if you run the blower door while you're installing the foam, and then you have a window cracked upstairs and downstairs for about 2 weeks afterwards, there really aren't any measurable effects on the indoor air quality. So that's why I'm going to be using the blower door today, or that's one of many reasons. The blower door is one of the most important tools in my arsenal as a house whisperer. So it measures how much the house leaks and can also help me figure out where it's leaking from so that I can seal it up. And when I get this house nice and tight, it's going to be really easy to heat and cool it. The guys are going to be here any minute to get started, so I'm going to go get cracking and do the last couple of things I need to do before we start pulling the trigger. Spray foam is pretty cool to watch in infrared because it's an exothermic reaction. So it gives off a lot of heat and it gets to about 200 to 250 degrees when it peaks, and then it starts cooling off again.
How nice is the sun today? We don't need permission to play. Let's go, let's just get away. Don't keep me waiting. No doubt we'll be working great. We haven't met by mistake. They be showing faith, so don't keep me waiting.
I love the step because now we can actually start getting into finishing operations and we can make it look steampunk. If you find all this interesting, you might want to check out the free chapters of the Home Comfort book, which is my book. It talks about the physics behind what we're doing here, or possibly the air sealing course, which goes into tremendous detail of how to do what I'm showing here. You can check those out at natethehousewhisperer.com. Hope you enjoyed this. I've been looking forward to this day for a long time. So if you did, like, subscribe, please comment. I'd love to hear what your questions are so that we can cover things in upcoming videos.